Hey everyone, today I got home and there was a package and it was my new iPhone Pro Max 13. I had to run to the woods to try it out. Compare it with the GoPro 10 I just got as well because I'm trying to get the best footage possible for my trip on the Appalachian Trail next year. I myself have always had an Android. I've never had an iPhone, so getting used to this is going to be fun. I don't even know how to restart it. But this camera is amazing compared to what I had. Samsung 8 is what I've upgraded from. Cinematic mode, couldn't even imagine getting anything better than this. And the stabilization that's in these videos are amazing. Like I am walking and I even tried the running one. Couldn't even tell really any movement. It's so stable. It's insane. Compared to the GoPro, it's a lot clearer and stable, more stable. But the GoPro is nice, compact, and durable. I've dropped it a few times. Put it underwater on purpose. And it's nice to have. And it gives me another opportunity to get different angles and film two different angles at the same time. Okay, so it's getting dark out of here and I don't know which camera to look at, so I'm just gonna look forward. And I'm gonna get out of here, but I just want to show one more angle of what it is like in the dark.